Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Terms Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see a term called penalty clause. Every contract or purchase order for execution or delivery of a product should include a penalty clause, an inexact term referring to a clause in a contract that specifies the sum of money due in case of contractual default. Such a clause is in reality a liquidated damage clauses and cannot specify compensation in excess of actual injury sustained by the injured party. So it is mutually applicable not only for a buyer, it's both for seller and buyer. Courts will not enforce a penalty on the defaulting party. So you should understand in any contracting process there should be some escape clause as well as a penalty clause. If the vendor is serious, or even it could be applicable for buyer, because when we execute a contract, a lot of commitment is made on money as well as other resources, but suddenly somebody should not say I am going to stop the contract. So penalty is a clause where we have to clearly define at what stage when the withdrawal is made, what penalty is applicable. It may or may not be on a financial term, but generally on a financial term, but it could be on other terms also possible, which has to be mutually agreed, and this has to be negotiated, and any good contract always includes a penalty clause. Thanks for watching. Bye.